Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the access point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we're in our new factory building, and we've been very busy and building a compact 45, and we're almost finished with this 47. It's coming out beautiful. And we're also building a ProChem aftermarket heat exchanger for a Legend SC. We got two TIG welder stations here, and a great cutting saw, and we got all the milling equipment that we need. Full fab shop at Blue Baron Factory, and you can see this beautiful 47XL with its all stainless header. It's an access point heat exchanger capable of 3,500 pounds pressure. This unit will do up to 3,000 pounds. It's got a 5.5 AR pump. It's got a beautiful silencer at the bottom to keep it acoustically softened on the sound, so you can take it into noise sensitive areas. This unit is just fully equipped with a 1/4 plate. It's not done right now. It'll be done probably within a few days, and orders just keep coming in. We got good lighting up here, good sized facility, and on a 5-acre lot. And the ramp goes down 40 feet, so you can bring trailers up here and can do all kinds of installs. A good flat out here will accommodate easy maintenance of someone else's truck mount, and they bring it here. And new installations, we got this one right over here, this 47XL will be installed in a trailer in about a week. And we just take a lot of pride in everything we do, but we needed the space, so we invested our company in a nice building on a 5-acre lot, secluded lot, and this is where we'll be living. And still got to get a little organized, but it's been very busy. I enjoy what I'm doing, and got a passion for building. 18 years building and 44 years in the industry, and these machines have really done well. We've done a lot of them, and it's the quality that goes into them that makes all the difference in the world. All stainless braided flex hose, braided hoses that we use. Again, we're not done fully assembling this unit, but you got the post heater at the bottom, you got the primary at the top, and you can do pressure washing jobs with this unit. There's no reason why you can't go out there and compete in the pressure washing industry. So you can do carpet cleaning, upholstery, you name it. This machine will do everything. This is what we do. This is our icon of our Blue Baron series of truck mounts, is our access point heat exchanger. It's a fully patented design, and again, we use it for our ProChem aftermarkets as well to help the industry in the ProChem industry. John Don is even purchased from us. And we got another order coming in for another compact 45, and we also have another 47 build that just came in for a 35 horse Kohler and a 4LR blower, capable of 562 CFM, great pull, 600 feet of hose. You can see in the back here we got more cut housing, Schedule 10 stainless pipe housing, and so we're really moving along here. And give us a call at 727-505-2989, or look us up at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.